read. Read means पढ़ना. Read means पढ़ना. Write. 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 Write means लिखना. Write means लिखना. Eat. 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 Eat means खाना. Eat means खाना. Sleep. 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 Sleep means सोना. Sleep means सोना. Walk. 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 Walk means चलना. Walk means चलना. Run. 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 Run means दौड़ना. Run means दौड़ना. Cry. 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 Cry means रोना. Cry means रोना. Clap. 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 Clap means ताली बजाना. Clap means ताली बजाना. Play. 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 Play means खेलना. Play means खेलना. Dance. 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 Dance means नाचना. Dance means नाचना. Sing. 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 Sing means गाना. Sing means गाना. Skip. 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 Skip means रस्सी कूदना. Skip means रस्सी कूदना. Drink. 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 Drink means पीना. Drink means पीना. Hug. 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 Hug means गले मिलना. Hug means गले मिलना. Wake up. WAKE. Wake. UP. Up. Wake up. Wake up means जागना. Wake up means जागना. Brushing. 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 Brushing means brush करना. Brushing means brush करना. Kick. 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 Kick means लात मारना. Kick means लात मारना. Exercise. 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 Exercise means व्यायाम. Exercise means व्यायाम. Sit. 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 Sit means बैठना. Sit means बैठना. Stand. 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 Stand means खड़ा होना. Stand means खड़ा होना. Push. 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 Push means धकेलना. Push means धकेलना. Ride. 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 Ride means सवारी करना. Ride means सवारी करना. Pull. 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 Pull means खींचना. Pull means खींचना. Help. 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 Help means मदद करना. Help means मदद करना. Sweep. 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 Sweep means झाड़ू. Sweep means झाड़ू. Watch. 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 Watch means देखना. Watch means देखना. Yawn. Yawn means yawn means जम्भाई लेना. Slide, S-L-I-D-E, slide. Slide means फिसलना. Slide means फिसलना. Swinging, S-W-I-N-G-I-N-G, swinging. Swinging means झूला झूलना. Swinging means झूला झूलना. Wash, W-A-S-H, wash. Wash means धोना. Wash means धोना. Fight, F-I-G-H-T, fight. Fight means लड़ना. Fight means लड़ना. Pray, P-R-A-Y, pray. Pray means प्रार्थना करना. Pray means प्रार्थना करना. Carry, C-A-R-R-Y, carry. Carry means ढोना. Carry means ढोना. Fear, F-E-A-R, fear. Fear means डरना. Fear means डरना. Relax, R-E-L-A-X, relax. Relax means आराम करना. Relax means आराम करना. Crow, C-R-A-W, crow. Crow means रेंगना. Crow means रेंगना. Scat, S-K-A-T-E, scat. Scat means scared. Scat का मतलब scat ही होता है. Drawing, D-R-A-W-I-N-G, drawing. Drawing means चित्रकला. Drawing means चित्रकला.